Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Kate from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector, and today, look at this one. This is a product I'm going to show you. And if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? This is our VCI anti-rust bags. Yep. On this part, also with the label on it. The first line of the label is our Shumatt logos. If you want to print with the own logos, just contact us because we supply you that kind of customized service. Like we can help you to design your own logo, the label, the package bags, and so on. Yep. On this part, this is a product code. F00RJ01159, and the application inject model number is 0445120024 and 0445120027, 0445120044, 0445120045, and 0445120053 and 0445120055. Okay, that's all the product numbers for this kind of valve can be fitted with. Yep. On the one side, you can see this is a QR code. You can use your phone to scan it to find more information about our product. Let's open it to see the inside. Wow, as you can see, this is the inside part. Actually, we have another type of our package. Yes, we have two types. Actually, today I will show you this one. When I open it, you can see the inside of we packed it with the oil paper. The oil paper can be better protect our valve assembly. Okay, as you can see, this is the whole side, right? Actually, we not only sealing the whole side, but also we sealing the separate parts. Look at this one. This is a valve cap, and this is a valve rod. And if you want this valve cap and valve rod separately, you can contact us. On this valve cap, it had some coating with curved letters. And for this one, we have different lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? Okay, so much for the product details. Yes, actually, if we have many model numbers, right? If you're not familiar with the model number, you can send us a product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About the warranties, we have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. And except that, I have some small tips I want to share with you. Because if you want to clean the spare parts, you'd better to clean it with oil, and you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position, the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips. Actually, we not only selling this control valve, but also we supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yeah. Any items, if you are interested, please welcome you to contact us. And each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Welcome to contact us, okay? So much for today's product introductions. Yes, if you really like our videos, remember to follow us and feel free to contact us, okay? So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Love you guys.